and welcome back at the two turns. Yeah. Hello, how are you? Good? Good. I would like to say if you're new, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You're going to love me like I love you. To my AsTheTubeTurns fam. Hi. 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 Thanks for taking the time out to watch me today. Okay, guys. Today we are having Five Guys. I have the bacon burger with lettuce for my bun, and I have a hot dog, yeah. I have fries, peanuts, vinegar, ketchup, and Coke for my drink. Let me say my grace. Amen. Are you having dinner with me? Are you having breakfast with me? Are you having lunch with me? I hope so. Okay, guys, this is my first time having Five Guys on the channel. Actually, this is my first time having Five Guys. Like the burger, the lettuce burger, the hot dog. I mean, I tried it before a long time ago. I just bit a burger. I didn't, like Bill Clinton said. Never mind. Okay. I don't really like fries, but if there's vinegar involved, I'm going for it. There I go. How you guys doing today? Good, I hope. I'm so excited about this. Ooh, this messy, y'all. But look at that juice. Wait, back it up. Five Guys not bad. Five Guys not bad. It's just that it's, it's kind of messy. I really don't, I like fries, I do. But eating it with vinegar takes it to a whole nother level. It does. They're not stingy either. Five Guys does everything justice. Ooh. Hold on, I don't know how to. mean, it can get messy, but that's okay. I am not mad at this sandwich right now. Ooh. Mm. Real good. Yeah. So, with this burger, doesn't want me to talk to y'all. This child, but let me tell you, already it gets hot here in Florida, okay? And if you see me wearing long sleeves like I am right now, it's because my house stays cold. Let me tell you, the air conditioner went out. Y'all, it went out on me. And I don't do well with the heat. I do not. I was without, well, we were without air for like, not even 24 hours, child. I was throwing a fit. You have to have AC in Florida. Ooh, excuse me. It can't go no other way. Let me try this burger. I mean, this hot dog. I have onions, ketchup, mustard, and relish. Like a regular grilled hot dog. Yeah. But this burger is delicious. But if you guys saw the other the Wingstop video with Ray, thank you guys for commenting and showing us some love, showing Ray some love. But he did mention that we went up the road to see my sister for her birthday, and we cooked, and she wanted seafood though, so I made her some seafood and some sauce to go with it. And we had a blast. My mom was there. We just had a good time. We really did, and I enjoyed myself. Everyone enjoyed themselves. And thank you guys for commenting. That's my sister. She's a year? No, she's 2 years younger than I am. I won't tell her age because she might kill me. But isn't she lovely? You guys, you'll see us doing a mukbang together soon. She was trying to do one with her little video, but we'll do one together. So I probably got sauce everywhere, huh? Sorry. That was a double burger. I can't have cheese all the time. And I don't like cheese too much anyways. Not all the time. So I'm okay with it. Y'all, I'm killing this wrap, but it's so sloppy. It's really sloppy. If you haven't been to Five Guys, go ahead. You will not be disappointed. It's really good. This is just like a regular hot dog. There's no big fuss about it, but it's okay. Wait, when does this come out? Thursday. So with all that mayo, like why they put so much mayo? I have mushrooms on here too. Okay. I am very satisfied. I really don't know what I was talking about. What was I talking about? When the food is good, sometimes you can't help but concentrate on your food. But this was my first time trying the burger with the lettuce wrap. And it was delicious. I just have to next time learn how to handle it because it tried to take advantage of me. But you see, I killed it. And the vinegar with the fries is delicious because I really don't like fries like that. But I'm over here eating. But I'm finna stop eating not too much fries. And the peanuts is for you guys, those who are not allergic to them. Go ahead, have one. Have some fries. The back of the hot dog, go ahead. Go ahead. I'm sorry, y'all. I think I shared the burger. I think I did. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out to watch me today. Thank you guys for taking the time out to watch me eat this delicious Five Guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Love me like I love you. And until next time, guys, see you tomorrow with another video.